Good morning dear student, how are you? I hope you all are well. Today we are going to start our new part and we have already completed two parts in the previous lecture. Today we are going to start our practice set 2.2 and the name of the topic is parallel line and transversal. Now you can see in that in question number 1 there are two sub question is given and we have to choose here correct alternative. See the first question, in the given figure if line M parallel line N, means here line M and line N both are parallel and line P is a transversal, here P is transversal line. Then find the x. So here you have to find out what will be the value of x. And now the option is given here: A 135, B 90, C 45, D 40. Now you have to decide here which value is correct here. Okay, so for that you can see here. See here 3x and x both are coming in between these two parallel lines. It is already given in the question कि line M and line N both are parallel, okay, and P is a transversal line. So this angle and this angle will form an interior angle, and we know well the sum of interior angle is supplementary. Supplementary means what? 180 degree. So 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree. Why? Interior angles. Now this 3x and plus x will form 4x is equal to 180. This 4 on other sides will get divide. So 180 divided by 4. Okay. 4 4s are 16. Remainder will be 2 and 2 and 0 will form 20. 4 5s are 20. So the value of x will come 45. So now you can decide here which is the correct option here. C 45. So therefore C is correct option. Okay. So here we have completed our question number 1 of question number 1 of question number 1. Now second question of question number 1, in the given figure if line A parallel line B and line L is transversal, here this is your line L which is given transversal line, then find the x. Here also you have to find out the value of x, and the options are given here. A is equal to 90, B is equal to 60, C is equal to 45 and D is equal to 30. Now you have to decide which one is the correct option here. Now we have already given the question, these both lines are parallel and this is a transversal line. So you can see here this is 2x. Now this angle and this angle will form vertically opposite angle, and we have already learned in the previous part the measure of vertically opposite angles are always equal. If it is 2x then this will be also 2x. Okay, so here now you can directly decide these both lines are parallel and this is transversal. So this line and this angle and this angle will form interior angle, and the sum of the interior angle is always supplementary. So your 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Right here interior angles. Now 4x plus 2x will form 6x is equal to 180. This is multiply here, on other sides will get divide. So 180 divided by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 18. So here we got the value of x is 30. So which one is the correct option here? D. So therefore D is correct alternative or option. You can write either of. So dear student, we have completed here our question number 1, and in that there was a 2 questions. This was question number 1 and this was your question number 2. Now move towards your question number 2. In the given figure, line P parallel line Q. You can see here in the diagram, this line P and this line Q, both are parallel here. And line P and line X are transversal. Sorry, it is not X here, it will be S. Okay, so line T and line S are the transversal. Means these both lines are parallel, and here 2 transversal is given. The first transversal is T and second transversal is S. Now find the measures of angle X and angle Y. Now based upon this information, you have to find out what will be the value of angle X and angle Y. So angle X, Y, using the measures of angle given in the figure. Now some measures are given here. As you can see here it is given 40 degree and here it is given 70 degree. Now based upon this measurement and this information, you have to find out what will be the value of X and what will be the value of angle Y. So what you have to find here, measure angle X is equal to question mark and measure angle Y is equal to question mark. It is a missing figure. So let us start solution. First, you can see here these both lines are parallel. So let us begin with itself. Line P parallel line Q, and line T is transversal and line T is transversal. Okay, now consider this transversal line and this parallel line. This angle and this angle will be corresponding angle, as we have already studied in the previous part. So measure angle A will be equal to 40 degree. Why? Both are corresponding angle. So you have to state here region corresponding angles. Now give it equation 1. Here you can see this angle and the measure angle X, both are forming an angle in linear pair. As you can see, one is going in this direction and another is going on the opposite direction, and this is the common arm. So measure angle A plus measure angle X is equal to 180. What is the region? And angles in linear pair, and the sum of the linear pair is always 180 degree. Now we have already got what is the value of measure angle A. It is 40. So write here 40 plus measure angle X is equal to 180. This is plus 40. On this side it will get subtracted. So measure angle X is equal to 180 minus 40. So here you will get the measure of X is equal to 140. So dear student, we have find out here our missing measurement of X. You can see here measurement of X is equal to what? We have find out here it is 140. Now still what is remaining? Measure angle Y. Concentrate toward the diagram, dear student. I think measure angle P and this angle 70 both are vertically opposite angle, and the value of vertically opposite angles is always equal. So measure angle B is equal to 70. You can write here directly. And what is the reason? The reason is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Now give it equation 2. Now once again concentrate here, dear student. I think line P and line Q, it is given parallel to each other, and which one is the transversal line here? S. So Based upon this information, we come to know major angle Y and major angle B. Both are interior angle. So their sum will be 180 degree. So let us write here first information. Line P parallel line Q and line S is transversal. So therefore, major angle B plus major angle Y is equal to 180 degree. What is the reason? Interior angles. And we know the sum of interior angle is always supplementary. So dear student, as you can see here, we have already find out what is the value of major angle B. From equation 2 it is 70. To put here the value of major angle B 70 and remaining part write as it is. This plus 70 on other side will get subtracted. So 180 minus 70. So you will get here the value of Y. 180 minus 70 is will come 110. So dear student, we have completed here our part of the question which was asking this major angle X, this is 140 and major angle Y, this is 110. So I hope you understood this video. Okay, and you have to write this all in your classwork notebook, and as usual you have to send the picture of this on Friday. Okay, so for today, thank you very much. Bye.